When you click a color drop-down box, in Camtasia 2021, there's now a My Colors section at the bottom that lets you add several custom colors for reuse. If you use themes, you can choose up to 5 colors for that theme. But what if you need 6 colors? Or what if you have multiple themes and you don't want to have to choose the theme every time? In Camtasia 2021, you now have a My Colors section at the bottom of the color tool that stores colors. When you click the color dropdown, you can select a color or type a color code that you want to use. With that color selected, you can click the plus sign below the My Colors section and add the current color to your My Colors palette. Once you get to 16 colors, a scroll bar appears for you to see additional colors. You can add over 100 colors if you want. If you click the plus sign and the color isn't being added to the My Colors section, then the color is already in the list. Camtasia keeps you from adding the same color more than once. And if you have a color that you want to remove, just right-click the color and choose Delete.